Kalamata.
Hi guys, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and we're having our first coffee of the day.
Unfortunately, our time in Volos has quickly come to an end. 7 days has flown by, and our next stop actually is tomorrow. We've got a day's gap. It's in a new house sit, which will be our 107th house sit, and that's near Kalamata.
Yes, a lovely house with 2 cats. But the journey is long, so we don't need to be there until tomorrow.
And we need to hire a car.
Yes, so we thought to stop tonight in Athens. So it's a 4-hour bus journey to Athens. Stop there the night, and then tomorrow in the morning continue the journey to Kalamata, which is another 3 hours. And then, of course, we need to hire the car.
We need to get the car, which we haven't sorted out yet. We've been trying to get a car. It's a little bit complicated because we need to get a car. We're going by bus, so we need to pick up a car somewhere near the bus station if possible. We don't want to have to go out to the airport just to get the car. Mm-hmm. So we're going to have to try and sort it. We were trying to sort it yesterday, but not a lot of success, so we'll try again today.
Yeah.
So basically, we'll take you along for the journey. It's a bit convoluted. We're leaving Volos today at 12 noon. Volos to Athens, have a night in Athens, then tomorrow morning Athens to Kalamata, try to get a car, and then we'll arrive at our new house sit tomorrow afternoon, hopefully.
Yes, from Kalamata to the house sit is about 30 kilometers. We hope that both bus journeys will be nice with both sea and mountain views. So hopefully be an interesting journey.
But we're leaving at 12. It's now, the bus goes at 12. It's now 8. We've got a lot to do. We've got to pack. We've got to tidy this place up. So we'll see you a bit later. All tidied up, bags packed. Now we're off to get a taxi. Okay, we just arrived at Volos coach station, waiting for the coach to take us to Athens.
We had an incident with a taxi driver that wasn't happy to accept payment with a debit card. And after a little argument,
which I kept out of.
But anyway, we arrived here now.
Yeah, plenty of time. We've got 20 minutes to wait, so we're on our way. Gone and 2 hours to go. We've just made the halfway point, so we stopped for a wee and a coffee.
It's not too bad a journey really. In the daytime it's quite nice because you can look outside. It's quite cloudy today, so the filming that we're doing may not look as appealing, but it's quite a nice journey.
Yeah, and to be honest, I'm glad of the cloud because we're on the coach and normally it's steaming hot when you're on coaches in Greece, so it's quite pleasant today.
So in 2 hours we'll be in Athens.
We arrived.
We arrived at the flat now.
It was a 4.5 hour journey on the coach, a bit longer than we expected.
There was quite a bit of traffic.
Yeah, but he had a little break. He had a little break halfway, and there was a bit of traffic coming into the city. And the journey wasn't too bad all in all.
No. We arrived in Lyceon bus station, which was one of the 2 main bus stations in Athens. And then we took a taxi here, 10 euros for the journey. I think it's about 5 kilometers.
Yes. We didn't know whether to book an apartment near the bus station that we got off and then got a taxi to where we need to be tomorrow, or get the taxi now, which is what we've done. So now we're walking distance from the bus station that we need to catch the bus tomorrow. Luckily, we made the right decision because the taxi drivers just told us there's a taxi strike tomorrow. So had we needed a taxi tomorrow, that would have been a real problem.
Yes, as it is, tomorrow we just walk. So we'll show you around the flat that we booked to give you an idea of what you can get in central Athens cheaply.
Yes, we had a look on the booking.com. We were looking for a crash pad. So something with decent reviews and as cheap as we could possibly
We
get.
just wanted the location to be good and to be clean, and that's the main thing.
Yeah.
And this one had good reviews for everything.
So let's show you around.
Yeah.
So TV, I think there might be Netflix because there's a code on the wall for the TV. I'm not sure what the code's for.
Air conditioning.
And a decent size, I would say, a decent size living area.
Yeah, decent size for sure. Then this hallway leads to several other rooms. The first one is the kitchen. It's a little bit dated and quite small. It has another dining table here with 3 chairs, cupboards. There's a washing machine placed here, and then there's the sink. Then coming this way, we have the bathroom. The reason why the washing machine is in the kitchen is because the bathroom is small once again. So there was no space for the washing machine here. And as it turns out, we're not going to use the washing machine. There is the boiler up there for hot water, and there is a bath and a shower, sink, the mirror, and then we're moving into the main bedroom.
This is a double bed.
It's a very good sized bed.
It feels really comfortable.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to get to sleep tonight. There's a lot of storage space.
Yeah, there's a big wardrobe, massive wardrobe.
Air
actually.
conditioning again, TV on the wall, not that we watch TV.
Yes.
And then the balcony goes, the terrace goes straight along the length of the flat, so it's the same outside every...
We'll show you the balcony in a sec. Then there's another bedroom here with 2 single beds. And once again, there is plenty of storage here. So we think that if 4 people stayed, there would be plenty of wardrobe space. And once again, it leads to the balcony, which you cannot see now, but we'll show you from the living room. And now we're going back to the living room. So it's got 2 sofas, plenty of sitting space.
Yeah. Okay, the balcony, we've just arrived at Salvas, we've just a second arrived. There's no view here because this is the back of the building.
Yes, and the tent is down as well.
Down.
But there's another table with 2 seats here, 2 plastic chairs. And then the balcony
Some towels drying
is
there.
quite long. These are the towels that probably the host has washed earlier.
So all in all, I think it's all right.
Yeah.
So what have we paid for this 2-bedroom apartment
In Central
in
Athens.
central Athens in the exact location that we need to be, which is fantastic. £52 was the price,
For the night.
which is like, you couldn't get a room in a budget hotel. It's crazy
Yes.
price.
There were some apartments that were smaller for a similar price, and we thought, well, this one's got good reviews and it has more space, so why the hell not?
Yeah, and even better than £52, we actually had a credit on our Booking.com account from a booking that we made last time that was on offer at the time, so we got 10%. So we had a £35 credit waiting to be spent. So we've actually only spent £17 for this apartment,
Not bad.
which isn't bad. I mean, you can't grumble at £17 for a night in Athens.
It feels pretty quiet.
It does.
So hopefully we'll have a good night's sleep. What we're going to do now, we're going to pop to the Kifissos bus station, which is walking distance from here, to buy the tickets for tomorrow. I don't know why you cannot use e-tickets, but...
So we're going to go to make sure we've
how
got
it
2
is.
tickets. Because we're so close to the station, we may as well go and get the tickets now, then we know we've got them for tomorrow.
Yes, because if you leave it for the day that you travel and you arrive there, I don't know, 20 minutes before the bus, there might not be tickets left. So I got the tickets. That's what they look like. They're always in paper form. You cannot travel with e-tickets.
Kalamata, day 2 of our journey to Kalamata.
It proved to be a bit more stressful than we planned because we walked here, but the pavements around the station are treacherous. Definitely not suitable for heavy luggage.
Yeah, oddly, the entrance to the bus station is on a really main dual carriageway with terrible paving. So if you're coming, I would recommend getting a cab here.
Yeah, but the cabs today have a strike, so that was not an option.
Yeah. I mean, luckily we were just close enough that walking was feasible, but generally from anywhere else, definitely take a cab.
Yes. So we have half an hour now till the bus to Kalamata. It's about 3 hours journey, a bit less than yesterday.
So we're on our way. So we made it, all on time, no problems.
Hired the car. Very tired now.
Yes. So we've been to Lidl for his job. So now we're gonna head to the house sit.
Yes, it's about 30 kilometers south of here. And
so that's it really for this video.
Yes.
I think it was just us getting here. And then once we settle down, we'll have a look around the area
and do the next video.
Do the video in the area.
So, see you very soon.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.